If you're unsure how to send audio messages on your iPhone, don't worry, I've got you covered. Sending audio messages can be a quick and convenient way to communicate. Here's how to do it. Solution 1. Using the Messages app. Open the Messages app, start a new message or open an existing conversation. Tap the plus icon, select audio. While holding the icon, record your message. Tap the red recording icon to stop and then tap the send button. Blue upward arrow to send the audio message. Solution 2. Using Siri. Open Setting, scroll down, tap Siri and search. Make sure to activate the Siri. After that, activate Siri by holding the side button or saying, "Hey Siri." Ask Siri to send an audio message. Example, send an audio message to contact name. Speak clearly into the microphone. Siri will then send the audio message on your behalf. By following these steps, you should be able to easily send audio messages from your iPhone. If this guide helped, let me know in the comments below.